Hello students, this session is for class 5th, subject reasoning, chapter 9, lecture 1. Let's start our lecture. This is your holiday homework solution. Question 1. Rearrange the letters to form a meaningful word. MMUITPO. In this question, you have to arrange the letters in a meaningful words. So your answer is optimum. OPTIMUM. Question number second. Rearrange the letter to form a meaningful word. WADFR. Our answer is dwarf. DWARF. This is our answer. Question number 3. Statements. Statements are: some codes are secrets, all secrets are puzzles. Conclusion: at least some puzzles are codes, all secrets being codes is a possibility. In this, some codes are secrets, some codes are secret. All secrets are puzzles, all secrets are puzzles. Conclusion 1. At least some puzzles are codes. Some puzzles are codes. It's true. All secrets being codes, all secret beings codes is a possibility. It is a possibility. So it also true. So our option is answer is option D, both conclusion 1 and 2. Now question number 4. Statements are: no sugar is lime. No sugar is lime. All sweets are sugar. All sweets are sugar. Conclusion 1. No sweets is a lime. No sweets is a lime. It's true. Conclusion 2. All sugars are sweet. All sugars are sweet. Is it true or false? It is. All sugars are sweets. It is false. All sweets are sugar, not all sugars are sweets. So our answer is option A, only conclusion 1. Question number 5. Statements are: some trains are road. No road is jungle. Some trains are road. No road is a jungle. All flowers are jungle. All flowers are jungle. Our first conclusion is: some trains are flower. It is true or false? Some trains are flower. It's false. Some trains are jungle. Some trains are jungles. No, it also false. Some flowers are train. Some flowers are train. No, it's also false. No road is flower. No road is flower. It's true. So our answer is only conclusion 4. यानी कि option D, only 4 follows. If garnish is coded as RGAINHS, then genius is coded as garnish, GARNISH. In this, we take the third word and take it at the front. थर्ड वर्ड को क्या करेंगे बेटा? आगे ले आएंगे, इंटरचेंज कर देंगे उसकी पोजीशन, उसको आगे ले आएंगे फ्रंट में. देन GAA as it is, then NI interchange their position, then SH interchange their position. Similarly in genius. So our answer is NGEOISU. Option C. This is our answer. Question number 7. If mouse is coded as PRUQC, then shift is coded as, in this question, mouse MNOP. 2 words gap, 2 words jump. 2 वर्ड के बाद जंप करना है बेटा इसमें. माउस M, 2 words left P, O, 2 words left R, U, 2 words left. Middle word is same. Take middle word is same. Then S, first 2 words, first 2 letters. In this first 2 letters, 2 words jump. Then middle letter is same as it is in its position. Now last 2 letters back, 2 step back. इसमें बैक जाओगे बेटा आप. S के 2 स्टेप बैक आओगे तो Q, और E के 2 स्टेप बैक जाओगे तो C. देन शिफ्ट इज कोडेड एज, ऐसे शिफ्ट को क्या कोड हो जाएगा, एस के 2 स्टेप आगे, वी, एच से 2 स्टेप जंप, एच के 2 स्टेप जंप करोगे, के, आई एज इट इज रहेगा। अब हम क्या लेंगे, बैक, एफ के 2 स्टेप बैक, डी, टी के 2 स्टेप बैक, आर। सो अवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, वी के आई डी आर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, इफ स्काई इज स्टार, स्टार इज क्लाउड, cloud is earth, earth is tree, then where do the bird fly? Bird fly in the sky. So here sky is star. Our answer is option C, star. This instruction is for question number 9 to 11. Let's see. 4 girls and 4 boys are sitting in a square table. Square table पे 4 गर्ल्स 4 बॉयज बैठे हैं। दे आर सिटिंग वन ईच एट कॉर्नर, एक एक कॉर्नर पे बैठे हैं, एंड वन ईच एट द मिडल, एक एक मिड पॉइंट पे बैठे हैं। मधु इज सिटिंग डायगनली अपोजिट टू उषा, मधु डायगनली अपोजिट किसके है, उषा के। हु इज गीताज राइट, उषा कहाँ है, गीता के राइट में। रॉय इज नेक्स्ट टू गीता, गीता के नेक्स्ट कौन है, रॉय। एंड अपोजिट टू गोपी, रॉय किसके अपोजिट, गोपी। हु इज ऑन बोस लेफ्ट, बोस के लेफ्ट में है जो गोपी। सुमा इज नॉट ऑन मधुज राइट बट अपोजिट टू प्रेमा, सुमा कहाँ है, प्रेमा के अपोजिट। सो हेयर दिस इज अवर डायग्राम। लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, हु अमंग द फॉलोइंग सिट सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ उषा? हेयर अवर आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, गोपी। Question number 10, who is opposite to Bose? Our answer is option A, Geeta. Who is opposite to Suma? Option B, Prema. Our answer is option B, Prema. This instruction is for question number 12 to 14. Let's see, there is a group of 6 people in a family, P, Q, R, S, T, U. They are by प्रोफेशन क्या क्या है वो, पेंटर, मैकेनिक, लाइब्रेरियन, जज, डेंटिस्ट एंड इलेक्ट्रिशियन। डेंटिस्ट इज द ग्रैंडफादर ऑफ यू हु इज अ पेंटर। द मैकेनिक एस इज मैरिड टू पी। आर द जज इज मैरिड टू लाइब्रेरियन। क्यू इज द मदर ऑफ टी एंड यू इज द ब्रदर ऑफ टी विच इज द डॉटर ऑफ आर। ओनली 2 मैरिड आर देयर इन द फैमिली। मैरिड कपल कितने हैं इसमें, 2। देखो बेटा जो एफ है, एफ मीन्स फीमेल, M means male. Now see questions, our questions. Question number 12, which of the following is one of the pair of couple in the family? इनमें से, इन ऑप्शंस में से कौन पेयर है, कपल है? Our answer is C, option C, QR. Question number 13, how many male member are there in the family? Our answer is yes, C, 3. Question number 14, who is, how R is related with T? R T से कैसे related है? So our answer is C, father. Complete this series. Question number 15 to 20 you have to complete the series. Question number 15. The series is TST, TST, TST. Repeat 4 times. So our answer is option D, TSST. If you fill this in these blanks, you get our series. Question number 16, Y, Z, W, X, U, V, S, T. What's the next one is, next letter? Take first letter Y, W, U, S. इसमें क्या हो रहा है, 1 स्टेप बैक जंप, Y के 1 स्टेप बैक जंप, W, W के 1 स्टेप बैक, U के 1 स्टेप बैक, S. Similarly answer Q. Take second letter. Similarly in this 1 step back. So our here second letter is R. Our answer is Q, R. Take question number 17. N, L, I. Next letter is here 1 step back. Similarly question number 16, 1 step back, N, 1 step back, L, here 2. In this the gap is increasing, 1 step back, then 2 step back, then 3 step back, Our answer is option B, E. Here the difference is increasing. Question number 18. The series is 2, 4, 8, 16. In this series, we multiply by 2, means 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied to 8, 8 multiplied to 16, 16 multiplied to 32. Our answer is option A, 32. In question number 19, 10, 100, 200, 310. In this, 10 plus 90 is equal to 100. Now 100 plus 90 plus 10. In this, the difference is increasing. The difference is increasing. 10, then 20, then 30. So our answer is option A, 430. Question number 20. 25, 81, 121, 169. In this, square of 5, square of 7, square of 9, square of 11, square of 13. So our answer is option B, 49, square of 7. Thank you for watching. Keep like the video, subscribe our channel. Keep smiling, sending your homework. Thank you.